Hey guys, it is Cool Nikki D here with a really exciting announcement. EA today just officially announced the release of The Sims 4 is coming soon, sometime in 2014. Now, by the looks of it, it looks pretty cool. I was a little upset with the logo. I don't know where the Sims Diamond is, but for the most part, the people at the bottom, they look so detailed and cool. And I was just talking to another Sim fan, my friend, and we were both very, very excited about this. Really now, I cannot wait. So what I'm going to do for you guys in a couple of days, sorry about that, I'm going to upload some Sims 3 Let's Plays on the Xbox. It'll be a couple of episodes, maybe like, 10 or so, maybe, yeah, like that, around that there, and I'm probably going to do SimCity. Now, if you do refer back to one of my older videos, the plan for the year, since The Sims 4 does come out in 2013, I'm planning on getting a laptop before the end of the year or around holiday season. So instead of asking for Sims 3 from my family and friends, I'll definitely ask for the release of The Sims 4 when it is released. So I'm just giving you guys this information. I'm so excited, and you are too. And in the comments, leave some must-haves or some wishes that you might have for The Sims 4. EA said that they were going to be very involved with fans this season. I just watched a couple videos by Sim fans Curtis Parody and The Queen and The Sim Supply, and they all had great comments about it, and I have a couple things too, and that will be my next video, wishes for The Sims 4. So thank you guys for watching. You hear my voice, I'm so excited right now. So please like this video. We want to get it all out there, and yeah, the release of The Sims 4 is coming soon. Okay guys, and you know I'm all about simming, so bye guys, cool simming.